from violins, not from rain, but from a heart that knew my pain.
Soft as light on fallen snow, warm as places we once would go. Every tear became a flame when you whispered my name.
I was lost in endless night, you were just a distant light,
but your voice across the dark was the first and quiet spark.
that's the sound of love calling through the night,
Like a distant star,
shining soft and bright,
and the silence of pain
slowly fades away
when your heart finds mine
and decides to stay.
I walked roads with no return, carried dreams that wouldn't burn. Every step a silent war, every door a closing door. Then your laughter found my soul, like a bell that made me whole. In your eyes I saw the sky. For the first time I asked why. Why the pain, why the years, why the lonely nights and fears? Maybe all the roads I ran led me to your gentle hand.
That's the sound of love, soft and clear and true, like a morning sun breaking into blue.
And the silence of pain
finally lets me breathe.
in the quiet of your arms, I can just be me. Love is not a loud parade, it's the choice that we both made.
In the silence, in the scars,
We became each other's stars. When the world is cold and wild, you still see the hidden child
in my heart, in my name.
You and I are not the same.
This is the sound of love,
Louder than the storm, where the broken hearts become warm,
and the silence of pain
turns into a song, where the lost and lonely hearts belong. This is the sound of love, written in the sky, where the tears and the years go by.
in the silence of pain.
We finally see love was always you and me. In the silence we remain, not afraid of love or pain.
If the world should fall apart,
I will still